Investments from outside the country have climbed 3 times over the first quarter of this year as opposed to the same period last year. Money from abroad poured into the country's economy by way of investments, 66 of them for starters in manufacturing and the business processing and outsourcing sectors, and whose bottom line is seen to ultimately create 16,000 jobs and generate export received of close to $500 million that our Harley Valbuena dwells on this report.
The investments approved by the Philippine Economic Zone Authority tripled for the first quarter of the year. This is amid the effort of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. in generating investments for the Philippines. In a data release earlier today, PEZA's investment approvals reached 58.94 billion pesos for the first 3 months of 2025. This is 294.26% higher than the 14.95 billion pesos in approved investments in the first quarter of last year. The approved investments include 66 new and expansion projects, majority of which are in the manufacturing and IT BPM sectors. These are expected to generate around 16,000 jobs for Filipinos, along with $497.46 million in projected exports. Most of the approved investments are in Metro Manila, Regions 3, 4, and 7. According to PEZA Director General Tereso Panga, the robust flow of investments is a fruit of their firm commitment to promote the country as an investment destination, complemented by the fiscal incentives under the Create More Law and other perks for investors. PEZA is expecting the influx of more investments as investors from USA, Japan, China, Taiwan, and Spain also express interest to invest in the country's ecozones. From PTV, Harley Valbuena for Balitang Pambansa.